A white monolith, the PS5's outer shell, slides away in a slow, deliberate motion. Close-up visuals linger on its dust-catching vents, an intentional choice by Sony to keep airflow channels clear and maintain long-term performance. Soft overlays label each feature as the camera's gaze glides along the chassis, revealing how form serves function. Inside, the heart of the cooling system comes into view. A sweeping, 120mm fan dominates the landscape, engineered to move large volumes of air quietly. The pan lingers as the vast heatsink appears, its copper pipes and stacked fins guiding heat away from sensitive components. Subtle arrows and on-screen text trace the optimized airflow path, a choreography of motion and metal designed to tame next-generation thermal output. The motherboard emerges, a carefully orchestrated circuit of power and precision. Attention centers on the APU area, where a silvery sheen hints at Sony's boldest innovation, liquid metal thermal compound. This advanced material bridges the gap between chip and heatsink, transferring heat with remarkable efficiency. The camera hovers, inviting curiosity about this rare choice in the world of home consoles. Further inside, the power supply nestles in a shielded compartment, its placement minimizing electromagnetic interference. Storage bays and expansion slots are revealed, carefully positioned for both performance and user access. Each design decision, from airflow to layout, reflects a singular goal, pushing the boundaries of what a console can do. One small change here prevents a massive overheating problem.